Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these birthday party theme. This is the baby shark, which includes 211 pieces and it serves up to 16 guests. Alright, so today we've got our birthday supplies. This does comes with cups, napkins, plates, forks, spoons, and knives. I like that it's packed all up in here in this bag, so it's all together. You can see that this is the baby shark theme. It does come with 211 pieces, which is a beautiful party supply kit, which accommodates 16 children, includes plates, balloons, tablecloths, meal paper, party banner, paper cups, plastic forks, plastic knives, spoons. You get the roll ribbon, straw, small cake flag paper. This is a really good quality. So you've got the spoons, here's the knives, and then in here you also got the forks. These are perfect for great birthday occasions. They are very nice and vibrant. You can see that the colors are super nice. And then you have some other decorations. This one's some more decorations. And it's got the little string at the back. I'm happy that these do have 2 tablecloth covers, so you can use 2 picnic tables. It does got little party hats with the strings. So again, this one here is for a 16 piece. And then you've got the little party string right here for balloons and stuff. And then here is the tablecloths. You also got a little gift bags in here. So when you have little gifts, you can put some party stuff inside the gift bags, but you do get 2 of these tablecloth covers. So that's the first one. And then here is the second one. So if you have one of those big picnic tables, these will give you the option to cover 2 of them for the party. And then here is the bag of gift bags. So you can put your little gifts inside there for your guests. So these are super nice. You can see the quality is really nice. So also in this bag you get some napkins that goes with the party theme, and you get small plates, you have bigger plates, you have some balloons in here. So you got regular balloons, and then you have the baby shark big balloon, and then you have cake decorations like this one here says happy birthday, and then you have another one with toothpicks that has little baby sharks. You've got the mama shark, the baby shark, the dada, the grandma. So you have all these ones right here. You can also use these for cupcakes. These are really nice. So if you don't want to put them on cakes, you can also put them on cupcakes. And then you have these little blowing toys right here. They also all of baby shark. These are super cute. And then in here you also get the plates. You get 2 sizes of plates. You get these little tiny cake plates, and then you get the bigger plates for like your meals, or you can use vice versa. So these ones here are the bigger ones. This does accommodate 16 people. So this is a really nice set that does offer enough plates to cover up a lot of people. And then you also, the last thing you get is these straws right here. These are the ones that you can move up or down, and it's got the decorations. You got different colors right here. This is a super nice decoration set. I like the fact that it does give you up to 16 people to accommodate. This is super nice. The quality is really nice. I like the fact that they do also include the balloons and the strings. If you're looking for a nice party set, I'd highly recommend checking this one out, especially if you're looking for the baby shark collection.